everyone, I'm Marsha, and today I'm going to explain about the surface area and volume of cylinder and sphere. So let's just get started. Okay, so right here I have two shapes. The first is cylinder and a sphere. First, I'm going to talk about the cylinder. The cylinder has two bases, top and bottom, and a curved surface. And then this cylinder has a diameter of 7 cm and a height of 10 cm. So first, let's talk about the cylinder. Okay, we're gonna talk about the surface area of the cylinder. So the surface area of cylinder, the formula is these are the formula of the cylinder, and then we just need to calculate it to find the surface area of this cylinder. So the formula of the surface area of cylinder is 2p times radius times height plus 2p r squared. So we just need to put the numbers on the formula, and then we will get 70p plus 24.5p, and then it will equals 94.5p, and if we times it with 3.14, it will become 296.919 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the cylinder. Next, after we find the surface area, we will find the volume. So the formula of the volume is PR squared times height. So same as before, we need to put the number inside the formula, and then we will get 122.5p. And then if we times this with 3.14, we will get 384.895 centimeter cubic. And that's how you find the surface area and the volume of cylinder. Next, we're gonna talk about the sphere. Okay, so right here I have sphere, and this sphere has a diameter of 9 cm. Okay, so the formula of the surface area of sphere is 4p r squared. So this is the formula, and then we just need to put the number inside the formula. Then we will get 81p. When we times this with 3.14, we will get 254.502 centimeter square. So this on how you find the surface area of sphere. Okay, so to find the volume of a sphere, the formula is 2/3 times the volume of a cylinder. As we know, the volume of cylinder is PR squared times height, and these two r represent the height. So we will get 4/3 times PR cubic, and then we will just calculate. So after we calculate it, we will get 121.5p, and then we times it with 3.14, we will get 381.753 centimeter cubic. And that's all how you find the surface area and the volume of a sphere. Okay, so that's the end of my presentation. I hope you will understand my explanation. Thank you so much.